Good evening, hockey fans. From the Mason City Ice Arena in Mason City, Iowa, it's time for Toros hockey. The will line up against Justin Wasvik. The puck is dropped and warded away. Robertson will win that one over. Back to the defender now. Redirection out front, the score! Aaron Sawicki in the back door, and your Toros tie this one up 1-1. Mercy One, it's time to strengthen your support circle. We have a support circle over 20,000 strong with Mercy One. Here come the Toros back the other way now, looking for shorthanded, and a score! Andrew Olsen with the shot up front, and might have got redirected, but your Toros have a 2-1 lead. The real lines up in the draw. Alexandria taking their time getting to the draw here, kind of giving their minute extra breather. Shot on net there, Newpower scores! Right off the draw, Jordan Newpower extends the lead 3-2 for your Mason City Toros. The zone, Alexandria controls that one once again. Here's Mason City with it. Here's Despinez now. 3-on-2 developing back the other way. Shot, another score! Marcus Friedel over the stick side makes this a 2-goal game. 2 seconds left to go here. Mason City will just slow that one down, and Mason City, your winners tonight by a final of 5-2.